Hello welders. Today we're going to be talking about how to initialize your ESAB Cobot. After the Cobot's set up and turned on, we're going to move to the pendant. In the bottom left of the pendant, you'll find the power icon. From the screen, we can press the on button. This takes about 10 to 15 seconds to boot. After it's booted, the smart puck will turn green. You can then press the start button. Once the start button has been pressed, you should hear the UR10 Universal Robots arm click on. After that, your Cobot is now ready to go, and you can press the exit button. Your ESAB Cobot is now initialized. Have a great day.